10 profitable machines for a mini factory or home business to earn easy money. Starting a small-scale factory or home workshop today is not only possible, it's surprisingly simple. You don't need a massive building, expensive heavy-duty equipment, or a big team of workers. With the right compact machines, you can transform a garage, a garden shed, or even a spare bedroom into a money-making setup. The beauty of these machines is that they're real, practical, and built for actual production. They have low running costs, they don't need much space, and with the right strategy, they can pay for themselves faster than you might think. So in this video, we're going to look at 10 amazing machines you can own, operate, and start earning from, even if you've never run a business before. We'll go over how they work, what they cost, and the kind of income potential they have. Let's get started. Dry ice maker. Let's begin with something that's more in demand than most people realize. Dry ice. Dry ice isn't just for keeping things cold. Sure, it's used in shipping frozen foods, but it's also needed in science labs, for cleaning industrial equipment, and even to create dramatic fog effects at events and stage shows. A compact dry ice maker works by connecting to a CO2 cylinder and compressing the gas into solid pellets or blocks. The great thing? These small machines can start from around $600. That means for a relatively low investment, you can start supplying to caterers, seafood sellers, event planners, and local businesses that need a fresh supply. Dry ice doesn't store for long, which means customers keep coming back, giving you repeat orders and consistent income. Commercial donut maker. Now, who doesn't love a fresh, hot donut? A commercial donut maker is a machine that automates the process. You pour in the batter, and it drops perfect rings into hot oil, cooks them to a golden brown, and in just minutes, they're ready to glaze, sugarcoat, or serve as they are. Small versions of these machines cost between $500 and $800, but they can produce dozens of donuts every hour. Imagine setting up at a weekend market, a school fair, or even supplying a local coffee shop. With some creative flavors, maybe a salted caramel glaze or a stuffed Nutella donut, you can stand out and build a loyal customer base quickly. Event bubble machine. Next up, one of the easiest machines to use, but also one of the most fun. An event bubble machine fills the air with hundreds of bubbles per minute. It's perfect for children's parties, outdoor festivals, weddings, or photo shoots. All you have to do is pour in the bubble solution, turn the machine on, and let it work its magic. Prices range from $200 to manual edge banding machine. For our next machine, let's talk about woodworking. When you make furniture, it's often the little details that make the biggest difference. A manual edge banding machine applies veneer or tape to the rough edges of wood panels, giving them a polished, professional finish. Portable edge banders cost between $500 and $900, and they can easily fit on a small workbench. If you already do carpentry, this is vacuum casting machine. Now we move into something more specialized, perfect for creative entrepreneurs. A vacuum casting machine is used to make detailed items like jewelry or small custom parts. It works by removing air bubbles and pulling molten material deep into the mold, ensuring a perfect finish every time. Compact models cost between $300 and $600. You could make and sell your own jewelry line, custom nameplates, collectible jewelry polishing drum. If you're selling jewelry, gemstones, or even handmade metal pieces, presentation is key. A jewelry polishing drum can take a dull-looking item and make it look like it came straight from a luxury store. You simply place your items inside with some polishing grit, let it tumble, and the machine does the rest. Prices start as low as $70. That's a tiny investment for a tool that can instantly increase the selling price of your products and help